A vast underground gambling operation. Irvington police hit the jackpot Friday, arresting 18 people allegedly connected to an illegal lottery enterprise out of storefronts across New Jersey.
Basically, the numbers are run by the New Jersey or New York lotteries, the midday and the night number, and they usually call or make payments.
Known as Operation March Madness, nearly 75 officers across several state and local jurisdictions, along with Homeland Security, raided 15 businesses throughout Irvington, Newark, Elizabeth, and Roselle. Investigators say the illegal lotteries use the same winning numbers as the New York and New Jersey lotteries, but paid bigger odds, and they estimate these businesses were pulling in as much as $30,000 a week.
After conducting a 2.5 months investigation, we were able to buy lottery tickets from each location, and we were able to get search warrants for each location.
Only our cameras were there as police processed several of the suspects allegedly involved. Investigators say Juan Carlos Martinez and Idelkis Martinez were the ringleaders of the operation, which they say has a money trail leading all the way to the Dominican Republic. More than $100,000 was confiscated during Friday's raids, along with lottery receipts, phones, and computers.
There have been a lot of incidents where gambling locations were either robbed or violent crime occurred. There's a lot of people that assisted us in this operation.
Investigators believe this group also had ties to operations in Florida and Illinois. In Irvington, I'm AJ Ross, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.